I'll take you on a little journey now that I think I'll call the Tale of Two Counties. We're going to take the A338 here, which links Burbage to Hungerford in Berkshire. I'm going to say Tale of Two Counties. More to the point, the tale of how much money each of two counties are prepared to spend on their roads. And as we ride along this road, I'll point out the, well, it's got to be said, absolutely appalling road surface while we remain on the Wiltshire part of it. Let me tell you that this surface is so rough, so uneven, so undulating. It's bad in a car, but on a bike it's dreadful. Look at the state of this. Good grief. Look at that, Christ. But the reason for talking about this now and taking you down this road is to show you the difference between two local authorities and how they treat the roads, or how they prioritise the roads. So we're still on the Wiltshire strip device, that rut there. If I got my front wheel in that rut, I could probably quite easily have come off. And to be clear, on the Wiltshire end of this road, the road surfaces are like this for the full, Jesus, for the full length of it. Well, but what you'll see further ahead, precisely as we cross the border into West Berkshire, you see the sign on the side of the road. Look out for the line across the road where the road is actually, where the road surface changes dramatically. Oh, look at that lot. Here it is, look ahead. There's the West Berkshire border. Look at the road. Hallelujah. Now on an absolutely wonderful, glorious road surface. New surface. Well, it's not that new, I mean, it's probably been down a couple of years, but it's done properly. It's not patched up. It's from edge to edge. There's no big craters or gaps at the side of the road. It's been repaired, well, completely resurfaced and done properly. And this continues for the full length of what remains of the A338 to Hungerford. Well done, West Berkshire. We're actually thinking about stumping up the cash needed to repair what is an important and relatively busy road. And I can tell you, somebody who's lived in Wiltshire for the last 25 years, spent a lot of time riding, quite a bit of driving. Wiltshire has got to be one of, if not the worst counties for the state of the roads. So come on, Wiltshire Council, sort yourself out and stop having West Berkshire putting you to shame.